was here visiting my daughter yesterday to see the vacuum. Like, it's 1 degree above freezing, so it's too warm to do a cold start. So I'm going to do something else. Dirt Devil. What I'm going to do is, see, there's no power brush and no belt. So right there, it's like $35 to repair it, which is kind of expensive. And if it needs a filter, though, that's another $20. So it's not really worth to fix up, because you can probably buy these for like $75. Screw here. Garbage bin. Put another screw on this side. See, there's no brushes even. Good thing I got a garbage bin right here. Tuck it right in. There's the lid. Straight into the garbage bin. Okay, what I'm after here is the mounting. Since I took 2 screws off of that one. Okay, why don't I get it out of the way. On this side. See, the motor slips through there. Just like that. What I'm making is a little portable vacuum. What you do here is you get a pill bottle and cover the motor with a pill bottle, and then I'm going to saw the handle down a little bit. I brought the hacksaw. Okay. See why I'm not going to take the whole handle from me, because it's got the clip there. Right about there. Huh. I managed to fit a hose on here, and you see I got a little protector cap there. Yeah, I'm going to start it up.